Hey everyone, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Pixel 8 Pro and we're checking out its camera against the predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. Right now using 4K 30 on the main cameras, and you should be able to see what the quality looks like and if there are any improvements. That's what we're looking for. So this is the main camera, as you can see, and now let's switch to the ultra wide real quick. So this is the kind of perspective you get with the ultra wide cameras involved, much wider. And probably the quality is just a little bit lower, but during daytime, as we shoot right now, it should be pretty good still. So anyway, let's switch back to the main camera and check out the video stabilization by walking quite fast. Let's stop right here. So do you see any differences in the video stabilization? Now let me step out of the frame real quick, and as we try and zoom in to 5 times. Alright, and just slowly keep the camera, maybe trying to zoom on the cat over there. There we go. That little beast. Which phone is more stable at 5x for the video? Let me know. Both look pretty good. Alright, let's switch back to the main cameras. Next up, we'll see photos and nighttime video and all that good stuff. Good evening everyone, this is the new Pixel 8 Pro recording at night, comparing it against the Pixel 7 Pro from last year. This new Pixel has an improved main camera, so I'm really curious to see if the video quality has also improved. And this is what it looks like when we're recording at night in very dark environment. And with just the phones in my hand, no special equipment. Let's check out the video stabilization while walking at night. Some pretty bad flaring on the Pixel 7 Pro, and it was one of the issues of this phone, and at least from what I can see right here, that has improved quite substantially on the new model. That's great to see. So let me know, which one do you think does a better job?